This is my bike check. I ride a Fit Park 3 frame, the Sabrosa sticker, the Vans Off the Wall sticker. It's a two-tone paint job, blue and purple. I have We the People headset with the animal dust cap, S&M XLT race stem and a top load. Vans waffle grips with the Odyssey bar ends. I got the Shout Conspiracy Voltus handlebars, the 9.5 rise to 30.25 wide. I run the Odyssey Director forks, custom paint job also, two-toned. And also have the Odyssey Hazard light rim in the black, laced to the stock fit hub, female bolts with the G Sport hub guards on both sides. I have the aluminum trick bags in blue, cherry. I have the E-Clack cranks with Odyssey pedals in metal. 1664 bottom bracket. Odyssey $1 Million sprocket, 28 tooth. And the Shout Conspiracy half-link chain. I got the McNeil dub rim laced to the Primo Remix hub, 9 tooth driver. I got the Odyssey tires, 2.35 front and back, and tan walls. I got the Fit seat post clamp and the animal pinch post. And I run the premium seat. That is my bike check. Thank you and subscribe.